Hello children, hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a new story, Birbal the Wise. So Birbal was a minister in the court of King Akbar. He was very intelligent and wise person. So in this video, we shall see how wisely Birbal found the thief. Birbal the Wise. One day, a rich merchant came to Birbal the Wise. He said to Birbal, I have 7 servants in my house. One of them has stolen my bag of precious pearls. Please find out the thief. So one day a rich merchant is a person who buy or sell things, and he was very rich. So he went to Birbal and he said that I have 7 servants. Servants are the people who work for others. So he had 7 servants and he told that one of my servant has stolen my bag of precious pearls. Precious means very much valuable, very costly, and pearls means moti, you know. So someone has one of the thieves has stolen the merchant's precious pearls, and he told Birbal to find out the thief. Thief means a person who steals other person's thing. Okay, हिंदी में चोर. Thief का मतलब चोर. So after some time, Birbal went to the rich merchant's house. He called all the servants in the room. He gave a stick to each of them. Then he said, these are magic sticks. Just now all the 6 are of equal length. Keep them with you and return to me tomorrow. If there is a thief, his stick will grow an inch longer by tomorrow. That means Birbal, he went to the merchant's house and he called all the servants, all the 7 servants, and he gave one stick, okay, to each of them. And he said that these are magic sticks. It's magical. So the sticks are of same length, okay. And he told that keep the sticks with you and give it to me tomorrow. Return means to give it back, वापस करना. So he told that you return the sticks to me tomorrow, and if there is a thief, then the thief's stick will grow by 1 inch. Inch means a unit of measurement. Okay, so he told that the stick will become longer. The thief's stick will become longer. Okay, he said, and he came back. Then what happened? The servant who had stolen the bag of pearl, he thought some among that 7 stick, one of them was thief, and he got scared because Birbal told him that the stick will grow by 1 inch. So what did he did? So he cut 1 inch of his stick. He thought that stick will become longer, so it's better that I will cut by 1 inch. So he cut the stick and he made it short by 1 inch. The next day, Birbal collected the sticks from the servants. He found that one of the servants' stick was short by 1 inch. Actually, those sticks were not magical, but the servants, he thought that stick will become longer, and he cut 1 inch. And then what happened? This way, Birbal could find out the thief, and he pointed the fingers to the servant who had the short stick. The servant confessed. Confess means to tell the truth that he had done the crime, that he had stolen. Okay. The servant confessed his crime and he returned the bag of pearls. Return means to give it back. Okay. Then he was sent to prison. Here, crime means to do something wrong. The servant, he told the truth that he had done something wrong, and he was sent to the prison. Prison means a place where criminals are kept for punishment. Jail bolte hai na? So he was sent to the prison. Did you understand the story, children? So the moral of the story is truth always prevails. It means you cannot run away from the truth. One day it will come out. So it's better not to tell lie, because if you tell a lie and if the truth comes out, no one will believe you. So never tell a lie to anyone. Okay, you always choose the truth and you should always follow it. Thank you, children.